this video I will explain how to download Facebook videos, right? So you can go to the facebook.com and enter your email ID and password. Okay, this after log in your Facebook account, what you can do, you can go to the any videos you want to download. Simply click on the watch, and here when you scrolling, there are some few seconds they will appear the download this video. So we can see on the most of the videos, all of them of the video, whatever we can see all of the download this video option on the Facebook page. You can also you can also download any website videos using these strategies, but how to get this tray icon on your videos? So basically you need to the internet download managers. It is the software to use to download either video, either a web page, and either a program file. Anything you want to download, you can use using the internet download manager software. So how you can download, I had been already explained that thing. So we can check on the my blog. Otherwise you can simply follow the given below the video link, and they will be explained how to install all the process of the internet download manager and use all of them. So we can check on the gitshop.com, and here is the IDM. Simply type the IDM. We got the second one, internet download manager with the password. We can simply download this thing, this software, and read this blog, so we can understand how to this type of tray icon would be appear on your videos, right? I think that you have know about very well. So you can check on the given below the link of the videos and blog, and you got the point of how to install. And so we can click on the download tray icon. We have an option to select the quality of the video, and just assume that I will select the 720 pixel start download. So they will be start downloading. I hope you can understand how to download the Facebook video. Go to the internet download. You can check that is download successful.